Yo, and hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's vlog I'm gonna be basically adding a longer seat post to my bike. I've just brought the purchase, it's just came through, and I've actually added it on already, so I'll give you a quick look at what it looks like now. As you may have remembered, what I did before was I bought this bike for £100 off Facebook, but it came with a very low seat. So I've actually bought a new seat and seat post. That came to like 24 quid. I was just figuring out a few ways to how high I wanted to go. Now I did consider having it really long. And I put it like really high up, because look how high it can go. I'm just going to show you. It can go really, really high, but the problem with that is it feels a bit weird, because it's quite, the handlebars are quite low when it's high, and it just feels like it's stretching too much. And look at that. Now I bought the seat, I think the seat was like £8 or £9, and the seat post was £11, I think. No, the seat was £10, and the seat post was like £11 something, and the delivery was 4 or 5 quid. Anyway, it came to about 24 quid, that's all I know. It came to 24 quid, and it was from Treads. By the way, this video, I'm not sponsored by Treads, I was just giving you an example how I bought it, if you wanted to get one. It's a standard BMX diameter seat post, which is 25, I think it is, 25.4. Yeah, 25.4. Yeah, it's 25.4, I think. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, if you know that, it's like, yeah, it's okay, but it's a bit long. But it does work. Well, as you can see, this was better. Except not timed up, that's what happened. I didn't time it up. But I actually do prefer it when it's this low, because it's actually more comfortable. Because when it's really high up, your legs sort of they stretch out too long, and then it feels like it feels like your legs are spinning around too much. They're spinning around too much. But when it's a bit lower like this, then it's much better. So I'm going to stick with it like this, and I will just tie it on. And after this, guys, I'm going to take you all along with me for a little spin. So we will do that in a little bit. This is the so this is the GT Mach 1 Expert. I actually got this on a steal, because it was like £350 brand new. If I would have bought this brand new, it would have been 350 quid. But I got it on Facebook marketplace for just 100 quid. And I actually bought it to sell it to make money on it. But then I actually realised I liked it so much, so I decided to keep it. But I probably will sell it eventually. But right now, I'm just going to use it for a bit. So I've actually got Specialised as well. I've got a Specialised pitch mountain bike, which I go on trail riding on. I went to Cannock last week. Sometimes I do go to Country Park, because I've got like a little mini park there as well. But anyway, back to this BMX, guys. I'm going to take you all along with me in a bit. So I'll just show you what it looks like now. So as you can see, it looks quite small, doesn't it? I mean, it's a standard 20-inch BMX. Top bar also 20-inch wheels. But I think why it looks so small is because it's a racer BMX, you see, and the wheels are thin. So it's not just thin width-wise, it's also thinner in height. So like normal BMX tires. So it's the tires what are thin. The tires would be like more. Would be about there. Be a bit, so because the tires are thicker, it make the bike look bigger. Because the tires are so thin, it makes the bike look a bit smaller. Anyway, guys, I'll show you the next time you see me. I'll be out for a bike ride on it. So check that with me then. Hi there, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's vlog, I'm just going to be doing a little, taking a little tour with me. I'm still on my GT Mach 1 Expert BMX, and I'm actually in Tamworth right now. Went here on the train, and I was going to come to buy another bike, because I'm going to buy another bike to sell on, as you would say, to flip to get more money. Because who doesn't want extra money, guys? So I just stopped into one of the stores, and I see they had a few bikes, but nothing that strikes me as making money type of thing. I actually came here about 4 months ago, and for an interview. For a job at carpenter, but I've just come here again. I just realised I could have gone back this way into town. This guy sent me away a long way. I could have just come this way. So yeah, I'll pick it back up later. Yeah, I just forgot, guys, I'm on an iPhone, so I can't record on dual cameras by clicking the switch and switching them over. Anyway, guys, I'm just start my BMX today, and I'm in the woods. Yeah, that's right, guys, I'm in the woods. And what I've done with this bike is I've actually brought a bigger seat post, so now it can accommodate someone of my size and stature. 5.4 and 5.7, yeah, 5'7". Damn it, guys! I think I'm gonna have to go back the other way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back the other way, guys. Actually, I'll just go this way, it'll be easier. Oh. Yeah, I'll just go back this way. It'll be a lot easier. And I'm sure you probably know anyway that I have been doing this channel now for seriously with it for just over a year. I wasn't taking it serious when I first started. But yeah. I just see there's a nice house being built by that. So why am I riding a BMX and not my mountain bike, I hear you ask? Well, the simple reason for that is because this feels more fun to ride. You feel the bumps and it feels more nippy, and it's lighter. And I was actually considering buying an electric bike. I've seen an electric bike for £400, guys. It's meant to be 650. So that, I think, would be a steal. It would have been a steal of a price. So I'm gonna go. I'm actually gonna go over Coventry today and check it out, see if the condition is good and whatnot. And I may be coming back with it. So if the condition is good, I may be coming back with it. Yeah. Just heading back over. I'm just heading back on now, guys, to check it out. I'm gonna have to get the bus down there, which will take about 50 minutes. I don't want some there, guys. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.